So the other day, I walked into a restaurant feeling like a normal human being. And the moment the waiter said, "Hello?" my brain just shut down. I forgot every English word I ever learned. I'm standing there like a cartoon character thinking, do I say hi? Do I order? Do I run?
And honestly, that happens to a lot of beginners. Ordering food in English sounds simple until you actually have to do it. So today on the Easy English Show, we're making it simple, fun, and zero stress.
But before we jump in, hit subscribe and give this episode a like. It helps the show a lot. And if you're hungry right now, well, liking the video burns 0 calories, so you're safe.
All right, let's start at the very beginning, the restaurant door. The first place people panic. You pull open the restaurant door, walk inside, and boom, someone is standing there, usually the host or the waiter. They might smile or look like they're surviving their 8th hour of chaos.
Don't overthink it. Just say, hi, hello. Simple. You're already winning. Then comes the classic moment where people suddenly forget numbers.
A table for 2, please. A table for 1, please.
That's it. No need to explain your whole life. The waiter usually says,
This way, please. You sit down, breathe, and relax. You've survived step 1. Now you need the menu. And that's when it gets interesting.
Sometimes the waiter brings the menu. Sometimes they forget because someone just dropped a plate in the back. If you need it, just say,
Can I have the menu, please? Now you open the menu and suddenly it feels like a whole new world. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Starters are the cute little foods you pretend you'll eat slowly but inhale in 2 minutes. Main courses are the don't talk to me, I'm eating meals. Desserts, well, that's where your self-control dies. Drinks are everything except your hopes and dreams.
And just when you're figuring things out, the waiter returns with the most feared question. Are you ready to order?
And that's where most people panic. But don't worry, we're fixing that right now.
If you need more time, say, just a minute, please.
But if you're ready, avoid I want because it sounds a bit like you're giving commands. Use I'd like.
I'll have.
Example.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the tomato soup to start.
Great. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please. Then comes the drink question.
Anything to drink?
I'd like a soda, please. The waiter repeats your order and you say,
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
and now the food is coming. But during the meal, you'll probably need something else. The food arrives. The hero moment.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
But during the meal, you might need more water, more bread, or maybe your fork jumped off the table. Here's what not to do. Don't wave your arms like you're calling a helicopter.
Do this instead. Excuse me. Then, can I have some more water, please? Can I have another soda, please?
And when the waiter checks on you, is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Delicious means very, very good. Use it. It makes you sound friendly and natural.
And now, the moment everyone secretly waits for.
You're full. You're satisfied. And suddenly, the waiter appears.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. Fast. Always fast.
You open the dessert menu, and all your discipline disappears. Chocolate cake, cheesecake, ice cream, happiness.
Ordering is the same. I'd like the chocolate cake, please. I'll have the ice cream.
You eat it, you enjoy it, you regret absolutely nothing. Now it's time for the final boss.
When you're ready to pay, start the same way. Excuse me. Then, can I have the bill, please? Bill is common in the UK. Check is common in the US. Both are fine everywhere.
The waiter brings the total. You pretend you're not shocked.
If you're unsure about paying, do you take credit cards? When giving the money or card, here you are.
And just like that, you're done. Time to leave like a polite legend.
On your way out, say, "Thank you. Goodbye."
Quick recap. A table for two, please. Can I have the menu, please?
I'd like / I'll have. Excuse me.
Everything is delicious. Can I have the bill, please?
Thank you. Goodbye.
These simple phrases work anywhere. Once you use them a few times, ordering becomes easy, unlike choosing dessert. Before you go, hit subscribe and like the video so you don't miss future episodes of the Easy English Show.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.